4 feet. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening. West, southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Where? In California, Death Valley National Park, Eastern Sierra Slopes, and Owens Valley. In Nevada, Lincoln County, Las Vegas Valley, Northeast Clark County, and Western Clark and Southern Lake County. When? Until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Areas of blowing dust are likely. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening. West, southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Where? Spring Mountains, Red Rock Canyon. When? Until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. These are the 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time observations for the local area on Sunday, March 2nd. At Harry Reid Airport, blowing dust was reported. The temperature was 61 degrees, the dew point 18, and the relative humidity 18%. The wind was out at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 36, and the barometric pressure was 29.82 inches and falling. Other observations around the Las Vegas Valley. At Nellis Air Force Base, haze was reported with a temperature of 64. It was 62 at the North Las Vegas Airport. Elsewhere around the state, it was 57 at Desert Rock. At Reno, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 47. At Tonopah, it was cloudy with a temperature of 41. Reports in Southern California, it was 74 at Needles. At Barstow Daggett, it was cloudy with a temperature of 59. And now the weather synopsis for the Mojave Desert and the Southern Great Basin region. Windy conditions this evening across the area as a storm system moves through the desert southwest. There is not a lot of moisture, so only light rain and mountain snow is possible, mainly late Sunday into Monday. Temperatures increase midweek before another storm system brings precipitation and breezy conditions mid to late week. The forecast for western Clark and southern Lake County. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy with chance of rain showers and slight chance of snow showers in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows 35 to 38. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the evening. Chance of precipitation 50%. Monday, mostly sunny. A trace to no accumulation. Highs around 60. West winds 5 to 15 miles an hour, shifting to the northwest 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows 36 to 39. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the evening. Tuesday, sunny. High 62 to 65. North winds up to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the west in the afternoon. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows 41 to 44. South winds up to 5 miles an hour, shifting to the east after midnight. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. West southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Lake Mead National Recreation Area, Northwest Plateau, Lake Havasu and Fort Mojave, Northwest Deserts, Eastern Mojave Desert, Cadiz Basin, San Bernardino County, Upper Colorado River Valley, and Southern Clark County. When? Until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. Impacts: dangerous boating conditions on Lake Mead, Lake Mojave, and Lake Havasu with waves potentially 2 to 4 feet. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Wind advisory